Happy Monday, everybody. It's been a while since I did Periscope. I wanted to touch base with everybody for the holidays. Happy Thanksgiving a few days early. I know everyone's getting ready, and so am I. I wanted to give you a few time carving tips because we all get really busy, usually with the not so great stuff. We get busy with things that don't really matter as much as spending time with the people that we care about. So I wanted to give you some tips on how to create a holiday week that you can savor, and you can carry these tips on into your Christmas season. First of all, you have to set your priorities. Priorities don't set themselves. Know what's going to be important to you. Is it really that important that you have this happen, that happen? Make sure that you set what is most important. And usually the most important things are not the urgent things. Setting our attitudes and our mindsets and our hearts and our souls in the right place is the top priority. Your top priority needs to be the things that only you can do. Only you can set your soul in the right place. So a priority could be spending time with God every morning if you're a faithful person. That would be something you could add if you've never added it before. This is a great time to make thankfulness a priority in your life. As we go into Thanksgiving, it's supposed to remind us of that, but sometimes we get so busy that we forget. So set priorities, the things that only you can do. Only you can be a mom. Only you can be a dad. Only you can be a sister or a brother or a friend. There are things that only you can do, and those things need to be a priority. Only you can take care of your health. Only you can make sure that you get enough sleep. So make those things priorities, or the urgent, the tyranny of the urgent, as they say, will overwhelm things that should truly be priorities in your life. So secondly, schedule the best slices first. When you go to slice a turkey, you make sure that you cut the best pieces first. You're going to make those the most beautiful pieces. So the things that are your priorities need to be the top things that you do in the morning. Taking care of yourself. Making sure that you set an inspirational moment during your day. Take time to meditate. If it's only 2 minutes, make that 2 minutes happen before you do anything else. Because if you take care of your top priorities and set your best slices first, the rest of your day will fall in line. Then I want to suggest that you add in some variety so that every day isn't the same and everything you do all day isn't the same. Add color to your life. Make sure you stop and notice something beautiful in your day. Just like on your plate, you want to add lots of color. That's what cranberry sauce is for, is to add something beautiful. You want to make sure that you add something of beauty and joy to your day, to add color. Something like music can add so much more to what you're doing, no matter what it is you're doing. So add some color and variety and joy, and meet some people you've never met before. That could be an interesting thing if you've never volunteered. That's a way to add color to your Thanksgiving holiday or your Christmas holiday that will bring you joy that you never expected. Set boundaries, though. That's my next tip. Make sure that you don't let people demand more of your time than they should. And that means people that are using you to enable them to not be responsible for themselves. Make sure people are being responsible for their own lives, their own needs, the things that they need to take care of to be independent, healthy people. If you're doing those things for them, you're not helping them, you're enabling them. So make sure that you set boundaries, because just like a knife, if you are cutting through the bone and you're trying to cut places that are not meant to be cut, when you're carving your life, you're going to dull the knife, and you're going to make the rest of the meat get all shredded up and look terrible. So if you don't set priorities and set boundaries with people, then you can end up messing up the pieces that are meant to be most beautiful in your life and theirs. So you have nothing to serve if you don't set those healthy boundaries. And then next, leave room for dessert. Make sure that you create white space on your plate. Make sure that you create white space in your life, create some margin so you have time to enjoy the holiday. Don't schedule something for every minute, all Thanksgiving and all Christmas. Set scheduled time for nothing. And you can tell people you have already previously scheduled something for that time slot, even if it's nothing. You have it on your schedule. You have an appointment with yourself to just rest. Very important to take care of yourself. So schedule margin in your life, schedule time for dessert where you have time to spend just doing very little that requires a lot of energy, but relating to people, enjoying time with those that you love. And keep those meaningful goals in perspective. Thanksgiving needs to be about thankfulness. Take the time to reflect on what you're thankful for, and about relationships. Take time to really spend meaningful moments with those that you care about. And it won't happen by itself if you don't make that time. So if you carve that out first, the rest is just details. Make those things the highest point of your Thanksgiving and your Christmas holiday, and let the rest of the things not happen if they don't. If they don't happen, it won't matter. But 10 years from now, you will remember whether you were thankful and you had time with people that you cared about. Those things last forever. Those urgent things that seem important right now, you need to remember that they're not always as important as they make it seem. So that's my tips for you today. I hope that you have a wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving week and a wonderful and blessed start to your Christmas season afterward. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.